Little boy. Okay, we're getting ready to check Landry to see if he needs a chiropractic adjustment today. Oh. First we check see how long his legs are. And we're so big. And we're going to take our temperature. Beep. 96. Beep. And 96.6. So we might have just a little bit going on today. You're just mesmerized. You gotta wiggle right over there. Just gonna do a tiny little adjustment right up top here. He's not even gonna notice.
You were such a happy guy.
Oh yeah? Oh, how strong are we? Good job. Just checking Landry's hips. I'm gonna get this belly. Just works just perfect just to sit him on there. Landry. Landry. Good boy.